Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am coming at you with another DIY, and as you probably already saw from the thumbnail, it happens to be a storage box. So if you want to see how to, keep watching. Alright, jumping right on into this voiceover, I grabbed 2 sheets of 3/4 inch plywood, brought them home and cut them down with my circular saw and a few makeshift tracks. If you have a track for your circular saw, highly recommend using it. However, I did not have one, so had to make do with what I had. After you're done cutting, these are the 4 pieces you'll get to start forming up the box. I went ahead and threw some pocket holes on the exterior part of both the side pieces. This will allow a very flawless interior and you won't be able to see any screws or screw heads. Make sure you put your drill bit and the blue piece to the thickness of your wood. So I set the drill bit here to 3/4 inch, as well as the little blue piece. And if you look right here, you will see what a pocket hole looks like. I secured the pocket holes with some pocket hole screws from Craig Jeg. I believe they were 1.25 inches. I'm not showing here, but make sure you use wood glue as well. There you go, you don't see any of the holes or screw heads within the box itself. With some wood glue and 1x3s, I am going to do a shaker paneling style. We have shaker paneling throughout our house, so to make it more cohesive and flow, I decided I should probably put that upstairs as well. I do want to preface this, it looks like I'm just jumping straight into the trim and the box is already there. I am working on 2 of these. So with the guest bedroom one, I will start at the beginning and you will see from start to finish. For the storage bench top, I took a 2x4 and put pocket holes on both ends, and you'll see here shortly, I attached it flush with the top of the box with a 2-inch pocket hole screw. And the reason being is because for the bench top to work with a piano hinge, I had to have some space between the back and the front. So I cut about 4 inches of the top, put the piano hinge on, which will allow the bench to actually open. I'm jumping back into the guest room to show you guys from start to finish. And this little dude was there to help throughout the entire process, so I figured I'd give him a little shout out. Anytime you're removing anything that has a caulk to it, take your X-Acto knife and cut that seam. That way you're not ripping up your drywall and paint when you pull off the baseboard. And this is a very slow and steady wins the race deal here. So pry it off, cut some more, and just take your time with it. So we had an outlet in the way and I just used the jigsaw to cut out that portion, and it works perfectly fine. So this will be the guest bedroom one with the shaker paneling on the front and around the top. If you are not using a paint sprayer, you can completely skip this step, but I am using a paint sprayer, so I am going to outline around. That way the overspray doesn't get up on the walls. Now I have a review of the Wagner Flexio 3000, which is the paint sprayer that I have and I'm going to use here. So I will link that below. That is what it looks like with one coat of primer on. I'm going to give you guys a peek at what the box looks like inside, but just remember this is 99.5% plywood, so when you are making yours, if it's over 2 feet, I would look at possibly doing a different frame. But this is the inside, no holes or, you know, like screws or nails showing, very clean. Let's hop right into the reveal, you guys. This is the Office Space storage box, and I do have to say it's my favorite of the two. Now we're going back into the guest bedroom with the shaker paneling on top. Same decorating. I have a monstera plant and some throw pillows, but as you can see here, this one has the shaker paneling on the top. That's gonna wrap up this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and if you want, drop a comment and let me know the most badass project you've done so far in your DIY journey. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!